Hi everyone, in this video we are going to configure a device model. In the previous video we have already configured a connector named as demo connector. So in this video we will be configuring or adding a device model. So in order to add a device model, click on model and then this page shows all the by default device models which are already present on the Oracle Cloud. In order to add a new device model, click on add button. We will name device model as demo device model. So you can copy paste it for the description part as well. So in order to write URL, you have to follow few rules. So this is the URL. This is the URL which we are going to use. The part which is already highlighted needs to be changed, and this part will remain by default. This have to be present in URL. So we'll give this name. Okay, we have written URL correctly. So now we'll configure custom attributes. We also have here system attributes as an option if we have to use system attributes, but in our case we are not using system attributes and we are going to define our own attributes. So let's add a custom attribute. These custom attributes will have all the fields which are present in the JSON request. So we'll one by one copy all the fields from the JSON request itself. So let me copy those fields. Okay, hardware ID, then this type should be string as we are going to have hardware ID as a string. Okay, everything is fine. Then we'll add the next field from the JSON request, that is timestamp. Keep it as number. Okay, then the next field is type. So this type is gonna be string. Okay, then the next field is parameter names. So in this case we are going to have Knox as a first parameter and its value will be number itself. Okay, then we have our next parameter or next field as PM, which is attribute number 2. Type will be number. Then we have next field as socks, which is our attribute 3, and its type will be number itself. Okay, so in this way we have added all the fields from the JSON request, and we need to save this now. Once you have saved the device model, you will have your device model in this list also. So this is how the configuration of device model is done. In the next video we are going to see how we can configure the interpreter. Thank you. Hi everyone. In this